This week's video is sponsored by absolutely nobody. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the show. Another Saturday, so we're here again, and we're gonna do it. Yeah, another Saturday, another 3-pack. So I call this week's video Black Domes. Lately I am all about simple hats. Then something too crazy. I found out that I like the black dome hats the most. Like I said, I have close to 500 hats now, and I find myself that I'm wearing the black domes for everyday kind of like situations the most. So I just decided to get 3 hats. All 3 come from a Topper Store USA, and yeah, this is what I got. Let's look at it. But before that, if you are here for the first time, just know it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to be gone. If you enjoy today's video, slap the like button under the video. If you haven't subscribed for the channel, please do. And also leave the comment under this video if you enjoyed the content or whatnot, just let's talk. So alrighty, with hats coming from Topper Store USA, they always come with the cards. And so this weekend we're gonna look at this guy. He looks old. Bill Gullickson. Bill Gullickson. Never fucking heard the name. So he played for Expos. This card is from like fucking 1985, 86 season. So yeah, he played for Expos from 79 to 85 and maybe beyond that. He was a pitcher. He throws right, bats right. So looks like he was a number 1 draft pick in June of 1977. Wow. All right, Bill Gullickson. Check him out. Do you know this guy? My answer is simple. Hell no, I don't know this guy. There he goes. Alrighty, 3 black domes. Let's start with the first one. Super simple. I do not have this team's hats like a lot. This probably is my second or third. All black crown. Batterman. Nice side patch. And this is Cleveland Guardians hat. Look at that simple script, I like how simple this hat actually is, There's nothing crazy. It would be even a good plain Jane if not for this side patch, but it is what it is. Super great, simple black mono hat. Raised script. Yeah. Super simple. Green under, white guts. Hat is made, I feel. No, this is a China hat. I wanted to say Bangladesh. But yeah, it looks like very low crown. Definitely something has changed in the factories, in China. And I like it. Let's do the size check on this one. Let's see how it feels, this China hat. Oh my, it feels great, it looks great. Again, that lower crown now is the China hats. Can't go wrong with it. Love it. This is almost too loose, If I curve it, it would be like it would sit almost too low. It feels like, then it would feel like a a 7 1/4 hat, so I may leave this one straight and wear it straight, because otherwise, yeah, it would be too loose. One of those instances, you know, not too crazy, but yeah, a little on the loose side. Cleveland Guardians hat number 1. Let's go to the hat number 2. And this is, again, from series, like I feel like Topper Store USA like to create all different kinds of hats with some specific logos. And this is that time when they are working on Coquise, another Coquise hat. This time is just all black. Was the simple script. I totally love this frog. That's kind of a cool side patch. So what would the hat look like if you would have this frog up front here and then the Coquise on the side? Would that look kind of cool? I think so. What do you think about this hat? Again, green under, very simple, white guts, Coquise, cool hat. Step 2 for this China hat. So another China. This fits a little better. It's a little tighter for the flat brim fit. If I curve it, it would be absolutely perfect. So yeah, another black dome. And look at that freaking frog on the side of it. That is hat number 2. And then let's move on to the third hat. The third hat, the third black one. I do not have many Chicago White Sox hats, so I wanted to add this simple hat to my collection. And it says Southside Hitman. That's kind of unique in my opinion. And then you got this script, White Sox. Super clean, nothing crazy at all. Yeah, lower crown. This is a Bangladesh hat, I believe. Yes, it is. Gray under, white guts. Chicago White Sox. Southside Hitman. Too bad the team is kind of like in a slump, you know, like they're almost like Colorado Rockies, you know. They have not done good this season so far. I used to have a coworker and she was from the south side of Chicago. And the White Sox was her team. It's a tighter fit. This is the tightest of 3 of them. This Bangladesh hat. It feels like, man, almost feels like it has a cracked brim. Not sure, something weird feels this way. But I'll steam and curve this hat and see how it works out. Let's actually do it right now. I got the steamer right next to me. I'll show you the simplest and the best way how to curve the hats. I have done some videos about curving the hats, you know, using this one plastic tool, how you do it, you know, and then you also how you curve the hat using like a mug or something like that, you know. And this is gonna be the third way and my preferred way how I curve the hats. And let's see how it works out while we're here, so to speak, doing it all live. Let me remove these stickers real quick, and yeah, let's see how we can curve the hat and you'll tell me if you like the outcome or not. I'm just curious, it's like the brim is a little messed up, you know, what it looks like. It's like being squished or something. I don't know if you can pick it up, but I can definitely see it. So we got our steamer going, and all I'm gonna do is just steam the brim, steam the under. And this is always the best way to do it. Do not bend and try to curve your brims unless you have steamed the brim. It will loosen up that cardboard inside of it, you know. If you don't do it and you start bending it, you know, you're gonna crack the brim and the hat will be ruined, you know, the brim will be ruined. It'll look like shit, man. So even if you suspect, like I'm pretty sure it's cracked here, you know, like, or bent. Not to the point where it's ruined, but I hope that with this steaming I'll be able to correct that and make this brim nice and curved. But you really, really want to like steam real good. So it does not take much. Just kind of work it around, and also for the new guys, like if your hat fits tight, first thing what you do, curve it, you know, and see it will loosen up. The hat will get bigger, so to speak. It will fit much better. But if you prefer the flat brim, then it's almost better to go a size up from what normally you would wear, you know. That's just my observation. Yeah, I just really, really want to get this brim hot because of that crease I have. I can see it. That's the first time Topper Store USA have a hat shipped to me where I'm not super happy about that brim. You know, I've just noticed it now, that there is something, you know. It's not like broken, but definitely doesn't feel normal. Let's see. Let's pop it on. Oh yeah, it's super. Well, you can fucking see it right here. You know, and all I'm doing is like I'm pressing like right here to my sides is this part, trying to curve it, but I can see where that damn fucking crease is. It does not look normal. Let me try to shape it. Man. Something is not right here. I can see the fucking crease, man. But you know what? It's been a while. It is what it is, and I think I can get away with it. Something about like this. What do you guys think now? I think it's much better, but like right about here, that's where the crease is. But I think we did all right, huh? I can live with it. Kind of like massage it out. I think I'm gonna be okay. So sometimes, yeah, you know, shit like this happens where you don't notice the things the first time. I usually open up everything just to check for the correct size being shipped, and I did not pay attention. But then again, you know, this is kind of like minor issue, and I assume they would fix it if I would complain right away, you know, not even complain, but it's like, hey, this what happened, you know. I think they would do it right for me, but I can live with it, you know. Definitely the hat got smushed somewhere, but I think we corrected mistake, and here it is, this beautiful White Sox. Now with the curved brim, and I don't think you can actually see where the crease is at. So, yeah. And all you do is like you steam it real good, and then you use these, I don't know what this is in English called, right, this part. You just go in, squish it in against your template, like as hard as you can, and hold it. And then you do like a heart shape up here, you know, and push it down to kind of flatten this out, and then it curves down, and it's like an indent, you know, you like a pinch it in, and it will hold that curve for you, man. Yeah, and it will look great. I know I can still see a little bit here, you know, but overall, I think we got away with one. So yeah, guys, where the hell did I put my Bulldogs hat? Yeah, I can see it. I can fucking see it. Right here is the crease. That's a bummer. But hey, let's not complain too much. And let's do step 3. I actually like this hat a lot. And the only downside is that, indeed, this brim has a crease in here, you know. It got squished in shipping, or fucking who knows, man. But it's not super noticeable. So therefore, even I like this hat a lot, this is my number 3, you know, for this week. Then you know what? I'm gonna fucking change my mind. Number 3, this Coquise. Number 2, this Guardians. And I actually like this hat the most, this clean White Sox. Yeah, will flaw here. But other than that, look at that brim, the way it's bent. I mean, what is your technique? I just like how it's bent here for me, you know, how I do it. All right, guys, that was the 3-pack for this weekend. White Sox, Guardians, and Coquise. All right, guys, if you liked this week's video, slap a like button. Hopefully you enjoyed me trying to fix this hat. I think I succeeded just fine. Stay healthy, my friends. Drop a like button. Leave a comment. Share the video. And subscribe to the channel. Till next, Lost Latvian out. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.